Welcome. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my name is Nuclear Nail Bomb. And let's get into this video. I'm going to be organising some of my nail art stuff and my messy glitter drawers. So let's have a look. Right, so are you ready? Are you prepared to have your mind blown? So, what on earth has this got to do with nails? I'm sure you're thinking, World of Warriors. This is one of those things that kids have. I'm sure I used to have something. Was it Pokemon cards when I was a kid? My little brother's lost interest in this, I think, a few years ago. And my mum was like throwing stuff out. And I thought, how good is this for organising nail stuff? I'm sure you can probably pick one up either online, or I wouldn't be surprised if you could get something like this in the pound shop. Obviously an empty one that's fresh, but you know, I'm all about recycling. So I'm going to clean this up and take all these cards out, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Right, so I'm going to take all of these out. I'm going to clean it up. And you see this that I have on my table that looks very glamorous and expensive? I know, right? It looks really expensive. Because everything I have is just bougie, but bougie on a budget. So I have to confess, this is the sticky roll stuff, and it is from the pound shop, or the dollar store as the Americans call it. And I got a roll of this for £1. Yep, it was actually £1. I know these days you go to the pound shop and everything is like £3, but this is actually £1. Yes, you heard right, £1, numero uno. So I am going to cover it with this. I think it's going to look fucking excuse my French. I think it's going to look fantastic. So let's get going. Oh no, it doesn't hurt. I do. Ugh. Right, so I've taken all the crap out, and because this was owned by a little boy, I'm going to give it all a good wipe down with these that I also got from Home Bargain or Poundland. Who knows, anyway. You can use any wipes from anywhere. If you fancy, maybe you've got some Dettol ones. So yeah, I'm just going to give it all a good wipe down. Not just because it's dirty, but also I think, well, with most things, that sticky back plastic stuff will stick better if it's on a clean surface. And you know, also we want to keep everything clean because it looks like there's a bit of chocolate in there. And oh, a dog hair, nice. So yeah, we'll give it all a good clean. I'm going to carry on cleaning and I'll show you when I wrap it in the plastic. Oh, my pigs think that they're going to get some food. But they is pigs, they already ate. Right, I think I'll transfer those last because CBA. And we'll put all of these bad boys in there. Come with me and you'll see. Oh, but now you can't see it because it's just become one with the table. I'll just open it. There we are. End your confusion, shall we? What shall we start with? I think we'll go for the solid colours. All these foils are available on the G Elite website. Please use my code Becca15. Ugh, it's Becca10, not Becca15. Sorry, I'm just stupid. It's Becca10. Some pennies. Anyway. Come with me and see. You get loads. You get loads. I can't remember how much it is for a box, but it's not very much. And they're really bloody good. So what are you waiting for? Get on over and buy some. Isn't she lovely? I'm gonna speed this bit up so you don't hear me sing all the way through. Okay, so there's been a development. I was sticking some of this cow print stuff on the inside and it stuck so well and I thought it looked so nice, but then I'm ripping it off again because I want to cover the whole book in this instead. I just think it looks so nice and there's like, it's so smooth, and this, I mean, being the magpie I am, I do love how sparkly and shiny it is, but I'm liking this cow print. So I'm going to rip off the silver and put this all over because I do have a big roll of this. So BRB. Why? Why is it doing this? It doesn't look like it was sticking very well, but it was. No, it's not coming off. It's not coming off. What have I done? Okay, so I'm so tired, it's really late and I just don't have the energy to do this right now. So it will be a few seconds for you, but for me, I'm gonna go to bed now. Good night. Look, I finished. I decided to put the cow print on there, and then I have this. It's not the neatest, but you know, who's looking at that? This is another from the Poundland. This is from Amazon. I'll see if I can find the link and put it in the description, but I'm really happy with it. I took all of my foils out of the boxes and put them in. Still got a few more to put in, but yeah, I'm really happy with this. And what I did was, with these, I took the stickers off and I've recycled them, and I've started to put these in there.
Also by Melody Susie. Of course, I'll be sure to leave the link down below as well as my promo code.
So if you watched my haul video that I just uploaded the other day, you may have seen me use these boxes, and I said I got them from B&M, and they are £1.29 for four. Four of these for £1.29. If you're a nail tech, get into B&M. Don't be ordering them on eBay or wherever and paying like £3 or £4 just for one. You can get four for £1.29. Anyway, I am now organising my, I guess it's my bling drawer and decals and lumps and bits that you would stick on your nails, but I am finally going to organise this drawer and put all these loose bits that I've just had rummaging around in there for months. I bought these, I think, on AliExpress. I wanted to do like a cake set kind of thing with some chunky bits and stuff and just kind of play around. I know none of my clients are ever going to ask for these, but they're fun and I like them. So yeah, but I'm just sorting those out and putting them in here. And then I'm going to carry on sorting out this drawer that is just an absolute mess. I'm actually quite embarrassed. I'm always ordering stuff, like just every now and then I might order something on AliExpress or from Amazon, and it will come and I'll end up just chucking it in the drawer so that it's out of the way because I've got clients. And then I forget what I have, and I feel like I've been doing that for ages, and this drawer is just like, I feel like I've had these crystals for months and they've just been sat there because I forgot that I had them. So it's so important for me to just sort them out, and it just is so satisfying pouring them all into these little compartments. So I'll let you carry on watching me go through all these and I'll come back in a minute. Oh, this is how bad I am. I dumped out the packet on this palette to use on a client, and I think I just chucked it in the drawer and forgot about it, and it's been in there for ages. And this palette I have also ruined because I put my gel paint on it to use it and then didn't clean it. Sunlight came through the window. I'm sure you know the story. But yeah, I'm just going to tip them into this little triangular organiser and put them back with the others. You see, I'm trying to have some sort of organisation and putting these pastel colours together, and then I'll go on to some other colours. But yeah, I'll let you watch. I'm sure you're probably wondering why I'm taking them out of one pot and into another, but I hate this little pink pot thing. I ordered them from eBay and it said they were tip boxes, and I got excited because I thought, oh, I can put all of my tips in these cute pink containers, but they're tiny and the little slots in the middle keep moving, and then the stones kind of slide from one side to the other, so I don't want to use these anymore, so I'm transferring them into my lovely new ones. That pink one I think I paid for a pack of 2 like £5, can you believe? And here we go, I have these perfect clear ones and I paid £1.29 for 4 of them. Anyway, I did finish sorting all of those, and then I'm just cleaning out the drawer, and then I'll show you the end result. Oh, how much better does this drawer look? Just gonna wriggle that in there. I did have some different containers already. There was no way I was taking all of that out and putting them in the new ones, but that's much better. And now onto this mess, which is my glitter drawer. And 1, 2, 3. Like magic, it's all sorted. How much better does that look? So satisfying. It obviously took a lot longer than than those 5 seconds. But now my drawers are sorted. I do, of course, have lots more drawers that are a mess, but this video would have gone on forever. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. You have been enjoying Nuclear Nail Bomb. Subscribe. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to leave me a comment and let me know what else you want to see, I will do that for you, make some videos especially for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.